everyone, I am Mr. Block, and today I want to show you how to load Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer at home. So as part of the Digital Media Arts Academy, we give all of our students a free subscription to all of the Adobe products, and that means that you can install Adobe software on up to 2 computers at any given time. One will be installed here. You'll be logged into your account here at school, and then you can install one at home, or to be honest, wherever you need to be. If you take a vacation somewhere and you have a computer available, you can install it there. You'll just need to log out of the one at home, and it's actually a very simple process. And so here's what you do, and I'll show you exactly what we're going to do. You go straight to adobe.com and look for the sign-in link at the top, a little button. Now, at this stage, you want to avoid at all costs clicking the button to log in, and on any of these 3, but especially Google. That will only give you a trial version of the programs. So type in your student email address here and click Continue. And then you're going to click on Company, it's School Account is what you want. And then we'll be logged in here. We're going to log into the correct account, not that's my personal account, but we want the correct school account. And we're in. So now the next thing is you want to go to your desktop apps. Do not worry about installing anything but the Creative Cloud. Okay, I happen to have them already installed, but you should have the ability to install it right there. And if you have any problems finding it, then you can simply go to the button on the left here, let's dismiss this, called Apps, and locate the Creative Cloud application. Where is it? Located right here. That's Adobe Live. Here it is right down here. And you'll download it, install it at home, because what happens next is in order to load any of the other applications, it'll load through that Adobe that cloud. I'm sorry, the application for Creative Cloud. And so the way that I've got, let's see if I can even show it here for you. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's right there. Okay, so we've got it open now. Let me pull this down here, and now you can see that I can go through and install any of the other applications that I want. All right, you can also update everything. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I've got a couple of updates, and I'm going to let it run through its process. And that is the basic gist of it. Okay. If you have any questions, obviously, please let me know. I'm happy to help. If you leave a comment in the video, or just simply send me an email, I will respond right away. Take care, everyone, and have a great day.